Hi everyone, here's the One Team Working Covid-19 update for Friday the 22nd of May. In terms of frequently asked questions, the first one being, can we drive individuals we support to the beach for a walk if we ensure social distancing and driving to a location is within the risk assessments? Whilst there have been some amendments to lockdown recently, the focus must still remain on in-house activities and local walks. Am I allowed to meet with one person outside of my home if we stay 2 metres away, or is it different for social care? Outside work, we should all follow government guidance. With regards to meeting others, the current guidelines allow one person to meet one other person from outside their household outdoors, as long as you stay more than 2 metres apart. Just an update on Covid-19 testing. We're still waiting for an update on all of the testing in care settings, and not just elder care. That are due to take effect during June. Over the last 10 days, we've experienced issues and delays in waiting for test results for staff. As a precaution, staff who receive a negative test result will currently not return to work until the 7 or 14-day period published on their isolation note. But it is worth noting that to date, no individual we support or a staff member have tested positive for Covid-19, and this is a credit to everyone in following government guidelines outside of work, as well as strictly adhering to our own procedures when at work. So thank you so much, everyone. Project Sunflower is still very much underway. Thank you so much for sending through all your photos, showing us how everything's progressing, and keep it coming. Please keep filming and photographing all steps of the process. There is a wiki as well with how-to guides if you need any further support. Coming up on Monday, Bank Holiday Monday the 25th, masks and mocktails. So these exciting activity packs are ready to be delivered to the homes tomorrow, complete with recipe cards and all of the makings for masks and mocktails, fresh fruit to make fresh fruit kebabs as well, different things like this. And yeah, I hope everyone enjoys their mask and mocktail Monday. We've added some more details, some guidance again really on how to correctly wear your PPE mask. Wearing the correct PPE in the correct way is your responsibility under the Health and Safety at Work Act, and it's required to comply with government guidance. So this is the correct way to wear the mask. Wearing your mask in this way is incorrect. Measures below that we've outlined in this flowchart are also there to protect you, your colleagues and the individuals we support. Many people with coronavirus do not have symptoms and are unaware that they're infected, and the reason we're now wearing all this additional PPE all of the time is because of this, and it's not just when symptoms are apparent. So here is a flowchart that explains the different types of PPE you will need to wear in different circumstances. It's also available on the wiki, so please do take a moment to have a look at this if you're unsure. For the rest of May, so there is the 5k in May challenge currently going on, which is to move, 5, nominate and donate. So you can combine your daily exercise to make up a total of 5k in any way you like: walking, cycling, running, scootering, and there's also a baton designing competition. Next weekend, from Friday the 29th of May, is the Great HFHC Bake Off. So your opportunity to design, bake and decorate rainbow cakes and biscuits, and you can then send your photos and creations for judging, and the winners will be announced on Monday the 1st of June. So activity packs are going to be sent, so all the baking kits and everything will be sent to the homes on Friday the 29th, so that it's there for you to get baking. Some staff were delighted to receive a delicious treat when they returned home after supporting an individual in hospital, and the parents sent these lovely treats to the staff to enjoy when they got home, which is really great. So thank you so much, it's really nice, and I hope you enjoyed the cakes as well. They look delicious. Are you ready for the May Ball? Yes, we are. So over the last couple of days, so yesterday and today, it has been the Home from Home Care May Ball, pirate themed, as you might well gather from the photos and the very poor impression. Usually the May Ball every year is something that all of the individuals, families and staff all look forward to. This year's no exception, it's just in a slightly different way. So all of the homes are hosting their own May Ball. Some hosted yesterday and some are hosting today. So here's some photos from yesterday's May Ball. And it looks like everyone's having a really great time. Activity kits were sent out to all the homes, which shared party packs on how to, you know, all the decorations, fancy dress items, how to make their own hooks, all sorts, and also a scavenger hunt so that they could set up a treasure trail around the home in true pirate fashion. So I hope everyone had a really great time. Hope everyone's enjoying it today. That's it for the One Team Working today. I'll see you again next Tuesday, and have a great bank holiday.